Dual Security Cybersecurity Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get cybersecurity wrong. They think strong passwords are enough. The surprising truth about dual security is that it adds multi-factor authentication, device trust, and adaptive security in one platform, and you won't believe how much it reduces the risk of breaches. Here's how it works. Duo verifies user identities before granting access to applications, networks, or cloud services. It uses push notifications, biometrics, and security keys to confirm that only authorized users can log in. Adaptive features analyze risk levels and adjust authentication requirements in real time. For example, an employee trying to access sensitive data from a new device may be prompted for additional verification, preventing unauthorized access. Most people get this wrong. They assume one-time passwords are enough, but Duo continuously evaluates security and device posture. Additional features include SSO integration, endpoint monitoring, and detailed audit reporting. Users praise its ease of deployment, intuitive interface, and the peace of mind it provides for IT teams and compliance requirements. However, there are considerations. Initial setup may require IT support, and some employees may resist additional steps for authentication. Most people assume all cyber threats are stopped. While Duo greatly reduces risk, ongoing vigilance is still essential. In conclusion, Duo Security is ideal for businesses and organizations looking to strengthen access controls, protect sensitive data, and implement modern cybersecurity practices efficiently. Subscribe for more honest reviews of cybersecurity and business software.